Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to replace a turn signal bulb on the front on your Mazda CX-7. This one you cannot actually open the hood and just do it. You have to remove the fender liner to do that. In order to do that, it's the same on both sides, left and right. So right here there is 3 screws with a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, one here, one over there and one over there. 3 screws with a Phillips screwdriver. That's in the corner. And now we need to remove the clips, the plastic clips that hold the front half of the fender underliner right here. As you can see, that's where it separates in two. So this one, we take them off with a Phillips screwdriver. Let me show you how one of them works. Okay, this one, you see like the clip, you take it off like that with the Phillips screwdriver, kind of like a screw, and you unscrew the whole thing, take it off, and now you have to use the pliers to pull the other piece, like that. You have to get it a little bit loose and then pull it. See, like we got it loose, and now you can just pull it with the plier. And one on this side right there, one right there, and you just, once you remove the inner piece, you just pull them with the screwdriver. Okay, it's supposed to have one right here on the bottom, but this one is missing on our car. Okay, and now the whole half of the fender liner should come loose, and that's where your headlight is, right there. Okay, it's right there in the corner now, so you need to turn it counterclockwise to get it loose. Okay, right there, this is the bulb that is bad. That's the turn signal light. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.